Child Support Services, What to Expect at a Court Hearing, Iowa Health and Human Services, and the Child Welfare Research and Training Project.
I am an Assistant Attorney General for the state of Iowa. I represent Child Support Services. Some of the things that are universal that should be expected when attending a court hearing would be to have interactions with the court staff, and Child Support Services attorneys. The Child Support Services attorneys only represent child support services. That means that they do not represent the person paying child support, the payor, the person receiving child support, the payee, or the children. Therefore, the attorneys for Child Support Services cannot provide legal advice to any of those case parties.
The court cannot make decisions regarding child custody or visitation at a CSS hearing.
Parties are certainly entitled to bring an attorney to a child support modification or establishment hearing, but because these are civil matters, a party is not entitled to have a court-appointed attorney. Because there are 99 courthouses in Iowa, each court and Child Support Services attorney has different procedures and handle things in different matters. Generally, you can expect that when attending a court hearing for a child support modification, that you will interact with the child support attorney, and that the other party that is either receiving or paying child support will be there. And if a settlement cannot be reached, you would have a hearing in front of a judge. When appearing for any court hearing, it is always helpful to appear promptly, if not early. There may be additional wait times depending on the court schedule for that particular day, but appearing early allows you to make sure that you are there in time to be able to discuss any issues with the Child Support Services attorney, and to make sure that if a hearing is necessary, you are there and prepared to proceed when the court is ready to hear your case. In Iowa, everything that is filed with the courts is filed electronically. If you would like to file something for a court hearing or to be able to receive electronic notices, you would be required to create an account through the Iowa Judicial Branch through the system known as EDMS, which would allow you to file things in your court case and to receive electronic notices from the court. This can be done through the Iowa Judicial website, or all, if not most of the courthouses in Iowa have kiosks that allow you to be able to create an account, scan, and file your documents with the courts. If a hearing is scheduled and you fail to appear for that hearing, the court may proceed without you being present. If you have an issue with being able to appear for a scheduled hearing, you should contact the Child Support Services office that is handling your case, as well as the clerk of court, or perhaps if you are a registered e-filer, filing something alerting to the court to your inability to appear. There are multiple resources available if you are unable to hire a private attorney to accompany you to a child support hearing. Certainly, you could contact Iowa Legal Aid or the Volunteer Lawyers Project, as well as using the Iowa Judicial Branch website. The Iowa Judicial Branch website contains many forms for self-represented litigants. It also contains information on how to represent yourself, what to expect, how to register for e-filing, multiple other tools for self-represented individuals.
Made in partnership with CWRTP and Iowa Health and Human Services, www.childsupport.ia.gov.